Homemade coffee pecan praline ice cream recipe. Hey everyone, welcome back to our kitchen. Today, we're making a decadent treat that's perfect for any ice cream lover out there, coffee pecan praline ice cream. It's creamy, rich, and loaded with crunchy pecan praline pieces. So, let's dive right into the recipe. Ingredients: 2 cups heavy cream, 1 cup whole milk, 3/4 cup granulated sugar, 3 tablespoons instant coffee granules, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/2 cup chopped pecans, 1/2 cup brown sugar, 2 tablespoons butter, pinch of salt. Instructions: start by pouring 2 cups of heavy cream and 1 cup of whole milk into a saucepan over medium heat. We want to heat this until it's just about to simmer, but not boiling. Next, whisk in 3/4 cup of granulated sugar and 3 tablespoons of instant coffee granules until they're fully dissolved. This will give our ice cream that delicious coffee flavor. Once the mixture is heated through and the sugar is dissolved, stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that extra touch of flavor. Now, transfer the mixture into a bowl and cover it with plastic wrap. Pop it into the fridge to chill for at least 4 hours, or preferably overnight. This step is crucial for achieving that creamy texture in our ice cream. While our ice cream base is chilling, let's make the pecan praline. In a skillet over medium heat, melt 2 tablespoons of butter. Once the butter is melted, add in 1/2 cup of chopped pecans, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, and a pinch of salt. Stir the mixture continuously until the sugar is melted and the pecans are evenly coated. This will take about 5-7 minutes. Be careful not to let it burn. Once the pecans are nice and caramelized, spread them out onto a parchment-lined tray to cool. Once they're cooled, break them into small pieces. These will be our delicious praline bits in the ice cream. Alright, it's time to churn our ice cream. Pour the chilled mixture into your ice cream maker and churn according to the manufacturer's instructions. About halfway through the churning process, add in those crunchy pecan praline pieces. They'll get evenly distributed throughout the ice cream, giving every bite a delightful crunch. Once the ice cream is done churning, transfer it into a freezer-safe container and freeze for at least 4 hours, or until it's firm. And there you have it, folks, our homemade coffee pecan praline ice cream is ready to be enjoyed. Creamy, coffee-infused goodness with a delightful crunch from the pecan praline. It's a flavor explosion in every bite. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen today. If you liked this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more delicious treats. Until next time, happy scooping.
Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee, the adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.